Good morning folks, this is Gary from Alfords here. I'm going to talk about gutter guards today and while we're at it, Hedgehog systems which are designed to keep your gutters free flowing and prevent debris etc. building up in the gutters. Well, we've been clearing out gutters for the last 25 years and come across many different gutters with gutter guards in and the like, and the hedgehogs. We found the hedgehogs blown out, clogged with moss and debris, and gutter guards equally so, clogged up, full of debris. And that's why we're talking about it today, because right in front of us we have a gutter guard system, and I'll take it out in a minute, I'll show you, but this is what it looks like. It warped, etc. And the problem with these are you've got the cost of putting them in the first place, and then it's arguable whether they do a job. In our opinion, we don't think they do. We think you're much better off having the gutters maintained, cleared out regularly, something like an annual basis. And for that, we normally use our gutter vac system, which we can do from the ground and charge accordingly. However, on these instances, we have to do them manually off from a ladder, and we have to charge considerably more due to the fact we have to come along and remove the gutter system or the hedgehog and reinstall it. And often the problem is as well, they get warped, they get brittle, they break, so they either have to be taken out anyway or replaced, so you've got the extra cost there. So this is what they look like anyway. Underneath, these gutters I believe were cleared out approximately 2 years ago. So as you can see, I don't think that gutter guard is doing its job at all. Well, I say it's doing its job. They're oversold, they're sold to this amazing thing that keeps your gutters clear and free flowing. There's no way that is clear and free flowing, as you can see. So while we're happy to come out and clear them still and do our best with it, just bear in mind it will cost more. So our professional opinion and advice from many years experience is don't bother with these systems. Have your gutters maintained regularly and cleared out regularly. And if that's something we can help with, obviously give us a call on 07710 626 480 or 01202 295 173, or check out the website at alfords.com. Thanks for watching, bye.